Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy 10-minute delicious cherry tomato, sun-dried tomato gnocchi dish. I cannot even tell you how good the flavor is and how easy it is to make this delicious dish. You can make it for a quick weeknight meal or you can share it with guests, whatever you like. I absolutely love it. Now, the secret ingredient is using the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in a pan on medium heat. Now I'm going to add in a whole pint of cherry tomatoes. So that's probably about 2.5 cups of cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to blister those in the pan a little bit in the oil. On medium heat, this is probably going to take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. It doesn't take long. Now I'm adding in my chopped up, finely diced sun-dried tomatoes. Now I'm going to add in some fresh garlic, which is going to make this taste so absolutely delicious. I put 1 large clove of garlic. You can put 2 in there if you want it to be a little bit more garlicky. And I'm just going to quickly cook that down. Now, I added a little bit more oil because things were sticking and I just wanted it to be super delicious because it was the weekend, and so I added a little bit more oil, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So now I'm just going to cook down that garlic for about 1 minute until it's nice and fragrant. And while those cherry tomatoes are cooking, you can go ahead and boil water for your gnocchi. You probably want to start that first if you want this all done in under 10 minutes. So I got the mini gnocchi for this, and I feel like those are so good because they crisp up a little bit nicer. So if you can find them, great. That's 1 package of gnocchi. My husband's just like spilling them every but he's helping, so I can't be mad. And my dog is always keeping a close eye on the kitchen to make sure that nothing falls, and she will snatch it up if it does. So we always got to watch out for that. And she always ends up getting a treat. Now I'm just going to keep stirring up those delicious cherry tomatoes, and look at, they're blistering. They are softening. They are looking perfect. It only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to boil that gnocchi. I drained off the excess water. You can save a little bit of the pasta water if you like to add in there, not too much. And I do want to just cook this for another maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes until we get just a tiny little bit of crisp and everything is really nicely combined. Again, that's on medium heat. This is smelling so good. I honestly could not wait to eat this. Now, just to add a little bit of depth to the dish, a little bit of umami, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of nice quality balsamic vinegar. Seems like a weird thing to add, but honestly, it adds such a nice flavor. It goes together with those sun-dried tomatoes so well. And then we're just going to finish off with some fresh ground black pepper and salt to taste. If you want, you can add some Parmesan cheese on here, some vegan parm, whatever you like on top. I just added some fresh basil, and honestly, this was so good. I could eat this every night. I know there's not a lot of protein or anything in this, so this is perfect to serve with a side of your favorite little tofu steaks or whatever you want for protein. So delicious, goes perfectly with a nice little side salad too if you have the time. If not, you just want something quick and easy. Honestly, it takes like 10 minutes. And I hope you love it as much as we did. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe.